Welcome one and all. I am Miss Balwan PV, Shard Institute of Technology Polytechnic Electrical Department. We see in previous lectures unit number 1 single phase AC circuits. In single phase AC circuit, inductive reactance, capacitive reactance, some basic points we will see in previous lectures, that is inductive reactance, capacitive reactance, RL series circuit, RC series circuit, RLC series circuit, their phasor diagrams, waveforms, triangles, equations. Then we see the previous lectures, power types of power, apparent power, active power, reactive power, power triangle. Then parallel circuit, RL parallel circuit, RC parallel circuit, RLC parallel circuit. Then after that we have to see now the concept of conductance, admittance and susceptance. First, admittance. Admittance is defined as the reciprocal of impedance. You all know what is impedance. What is impedance? Impedance is the combination of resistance and reactance. Reactance, it may be capacitive or inductive. So impedance is combination of real part, that is resistance, and reactance, it may be capacitive or inductive. This is the impedance. And what is admittance? The admittance is defined as the reciprocal of impedance. Admittance is exactly opposed to impedance, that means reciprocal of impedance. So admittance is equal to 1 upon Z. Admittance is denoted by a Y. Symbol is admittance is Y, capital Y, and unit is Siemens. Admittance measured in Siemens. Impedance in parallel is equal to the admittance in series. We know the admittance is reciprocal of impedance. That means admittance Y is equal to 1 upon Z. So in this structure you can see impedance in parallel. If impedance is connected in parallel circuit, it's exactly equal to the when admittance is connected in series circuit. In this figure you can see, in this circuit you can see that Z1, Z2 and Z3 are connected in parallel to each other across the supply or supply source. Then exactly equal to Y1, Y2 and Y3, that is admittance, 3 admittance are connected in series across the supply source. And these series circuits are equal because admittance is exactly inversely proportional to the impedance, or vice versa. Next, equation according to that circuit diagram. In first circuit diagram you can see Z1, Z2, Z3. Current flow through the Z1, Z2, Z3 is I1, I2 and I3. So equivalent or total I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. In this diagram, Z1, Z2 and Z3 are connected in series. Y1, Y2 and Y3, extremely sorry, Z1, Z2 and Z3 are connected in parallel, and Y1, Y2 and Y3 are connected in series. According to this circuit diagram, current flow through Z1 is I1, current flow through Z2 is I2, and current through Z3 is I3, and total current from this source is I. So in equation I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Then I is equal to V upon Z1, because I1 is equal to V upon Z1. See in this diagram, current through Z1 is I1, and this I1, I is equal to V upon R, and there is R is in present in place of R there is we replace Z because this is the circuit of impedance. So current through this circuit, current through this element or current through this impedance is I1 is equal to this voltage source V divided by Z1. Then current through Z2, I2 is equal to V divided by Z2, and current through Z3, I3 is equal to V divided by Z3. So I is equal to, in place of I1 we put V upon Z1 plus uh, in place of I2 we put V upon Z2, and in place of I3 we put V upon Z3. Then take a V common, then after that in bracket remains 1 upon Z1 plus 1 upon Z2 plus 1 upon Z3. Then V in bracket 1 upon Z1 means what? We see in first concept of first slide, admittance is equal to defined as the reciprocal of impedance. So Y is equal to what? 1 upon Z, or 1 upon Z means what? Y. So 1 upon Z1 put replaced by Y1, then 1 upon Z2 replaced by Y2, and 1 upon Z3 replaced by Y3. So V into Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. So this Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 means total Y, that is admittance. So therefore admittance Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3. Next point is conductance and susceptance. Now we see the admittance, concept of admittance. Now conductance and susceptance. Conductance is denoted by G and susceptance is denoted by B. Then expression for impedance in reactance form. Reactance in form of reactance, what is the value of impedance? We know this expression, Z is equal to R plus minus Jx. Z is a impedance, and impedance is the combination of resistance and reactance. It may be X is a inductive reactance or capacitive reactance. So in form of reactance, what is the expression of Z? That means impedance is Z is equal to R plus minus Jx. Then we know the before concept we see the Y is equal to 1 upon Z. Then what is Y is equal to 1 upon Z? Then what is the value of Z? We know this expression, Z is equal to R plus minus Jx. So this value of Z put in this equation in place of Z. Then Y is equal to 1 upon R plus minus Jx. Rationalize the expression. After that we rationalize this expression, then Y is equal to 1 upon R plus minus Jx into R plus minus Jx upon R plus minus Jx. It get cancelled and remains 1. So the value of Y could not change because of this additional expression. So this is called rationalized expression. What is the rationalized expression? Y is equal to 1 upon R plus minus Jx into R plus minus Jx upon R plus minus Jx. Then what we get from this expression, after solving this expression, we get Y is equal to this R plus minus Jx as it is, and multiplication of both bracket is R square plus X square. Then Y is equal to R upon R square plus X square. Separate this equation. First we take this R and divided bracket, then plus minus sign, and then this Jx upon this bracket. Only we separate this expression. Y is equal to R upon R square plus X square plus minus Jx upon R square plus X square. But Z square is equal to R square plus X square. If this expression get squared, then we get Z square is equal to R square plus X square. In squarization, when we square the equation or expression, then minus sign or imaginary part is cancelled. Then y is equal to r upon z square. This r square plus x square bracket replaced by z square from this equation. So y is equal to r upon replaced by z, r upon z square plus minus jx upon z square. This bracket r square plus x square replaced by z square. Then r, r upon z square equal to g and x upon z square equal to b, because the admittance is the admittance y is the combination of this conductance and susceptance. So r upon z square is equal to g and x upon z square is b, because y is equal to g plus jb is the formula for or combination of admittance, conductance and susceptance. That will be see in next slide. You can see there. This is see y is equal to j plus minus jb. So in before expression in place of g, we say that r upon z square, and expression in place of b, that is x upon z square. This puts. Next, definitions. What is conductance and what is susceptance? First, we will see conductance, that is denoted by G, ratio of resistance and the square of impedance, and it is measured in Siemens. We get expression here, r upon z square is equal to g and x upon z square is equal to b. What is conductance? G, ratio of resistance and the square of impedance, and it is measured in Siemens. G is equal to r upon z square, that is conductance, and conductance measured in Siemens. Then susceptance denoted by B, capital B, ratio of the reactance and square of the impedance, that means susceptance. Susceptance is defined as the ratio of the reactance and the square of the impedance. Then susceptance measured in Siemens also, conductance is measured in Siemens also, and admittance is also measured in Siemens. Susceptance B is equal to plus minus x upon z square. This plus minus sign is denoted that it may be capacitive reactance or inductive reactance. Like that, it may be capacitive susceptance or inductive susceptance. Susceptance can be inductive and capacitive depending on the polarity of X. What is the polarity of X depends on the which type of susceptance is there. It can be inductive or capacitive. So what is the symbol of admittance, that is Y, symbol of conductance, that is G, and symbol of susceptance is B. That is admittance denoted by Y, conductance denoted by G, and susceptance denoted by B. What is the formula of admittance? 1 upon Z. Formula of conductance R upon Z square, and formula of susceptance B is equal to plus minus X upon Z square. This is the polarity. We know there is reactance. If positive reactance, we call inductive reactance. If negative sign is there for negative polarity or negative sign for reactance, there is capacitive reactance. But in case of susceptance, there is exactly opposite to reactance polarity. Polarity of susceptance is reverse of reactance or opposite of reactance. So when positive sign is there, then there is a capacitive susceptance, and if there is a negative sign, there is a inductive susceptance. This is the polarity for reactance and susceptance. Next, phase angle. This is the equation of relation of admittance, conductance and susceptance. This Y is admittance, G is conductance and B is susceptance. The equation or relation of these three is Y is equal to G plus minus JB, admittance is equal to conductance plus minus susceptance. Y can be expressed in polar form. This is the equation, and we can, this Y is in polar form. How to denote in polar form? Y is equal to mod Y less than phi, angle phi. Phi is angle. This is the triangle for admittance, conductance and susceptance. This horizontal line shows conductance, this is vertical line susceptance, and this hypotenuse is admittance. This is angle phi. So phi is equal to tan inverse b upon g. This is the by Pythagoras prameya, angle phi is equal to tan inverse b upon g. And mod y, what is mod y? Here we can see y is equal to mod y less than phi, angle mod y is less than angle phi. Then what is mod y? It's under root g square plus b square. This y is equal to g square plus b square, under root g square plus b square, mod y is equal to. In this video, we see the concept of admittance, conductance and susceptance. In first slide, this is the concept of admittance, that is 1 by Z notification, or it is denoted by Y, unit is Siemens. This is the relation of impedance and admittance, which is reversible. This is the equation for admittance. Then conductance and susceptance equation, we got the equation for G and B, that is conductance and susceptance. This is a conductance, G is equal to R upon Z square, denoted by G and measured in Siemens. Susceptance denoted by B, B is equal to plus minus X upon Z square and measured in Siemens. This is the polarity for reactance and susceptance. Then phase angle, phi is equal to tan inverse B upon G, that is phi is equal to tan inverse conductance upon susceptance. Thank you.